Coffee shop! May further, may aduna.
What's up? It's Chezka and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today mag-unboxing tayo ng sobrang long overdue unboxing ng aking... Sige, tara. Tara, sige, nag-shoot ako. Pero okay lang, sige. Mamaya na to, guys. Gutom kami. Sige, magmukbang na lang tayo. Wow! Grabe naman. Sobrang premium naman ng packaging ko. Oh, cute naman! Ano yung ginagawa?
Puti ito na!
Ang cute nila!
Ano ulit yun? Sige,
sobrang cute, no? Ano to? Pero alam ko meron to naman sa loob. How do you open it? Oh! It's a surprise!
Oh!
Wow!
Purple sweet potato mooncake.
Bango naman.
Minion.
Nakita mo, minion. Sobrang sarap naman ito. Wow!
Oh, assorted. Hong Kong MX mooncakes created the innovative lava custard mooncake in the year 2014. Double baking technique is used for its exquisite fragrance. Kaya pala ang bango.
Oh, wow!
New flavors are created successively to join the lava mooncake series. Wow, ang dami palang awards nito sa Belgium. Mod selection is found in Brussels country 1961. Ang bango. Kaya siguro kasi pag double binibake, like, mas nag-a-absorb siguro ng essence.
Wow, so what flavors do we have here? We have lava cheese flavored mooncake,
caramel macchiato mooncake, lava custard, chocolate.
Wow, so ilang flavors in total?
4.
Wow, so exciting. Grabe. Sobrang flavorful.
Ako naman, gusto ko
You
na
love
kumain.
this, you love this. Come here.
Bango naman, grabe.
You love this. Wow. So addicting, no? Wow! There's chewy.
Ano ang flavor gusto ko matry?
There's a surprise inside.
Gusto ko matry yung lava caramel macchiato. Ngayon, papaamoy ko sa'yo, tapos sabihin mo kung ano yung, what does it remind you of? Count ako ng 3 ah. 3, 2, 1. Coffee shop!
Ang bango!
Diba?
Oo, pwede ba huwag na lang kainin?
Oh,
grabe,
sobrang ganda ng pagka-mold.
Sobrang premium kasi. Grabe, oh. So, yan. Ang dami. Perfecto for gifting. Sobrang premium ng case. Ganyan. Perfect for birthday gifts, Christmas gifts, and sa mga, ano nyo, sa mga boss. Ganyan. Or loved ones as well. Every mooncake talaga na na-try namin, sobrang rich, no? And decadent. It's not just mooncake. It's HK MX. Mooncake. So you can buy the Lava Quartet set, or if you buy FAVE, this cutie minion, it comes with the purple sweet potato mooncakes. Sobrang cute talaga. It has a really nice color and really refreshing flavor.
It gives me that pasalubong vibe. Kasi usually yung mga pasalubong, mga flavorful, mga matatamis. Ito, yung highlight niya nasa flavor, hindi sa tamis.
Pero actually, overall, the packaging, the flavor, sobrang...
Feels elite.
Ito, yun. This is the premier line of mooncakes in Hong Kong. So make sure pag magbibili kayo ng mooncakes, make sure it's from Double Down. Kasi they are safely imported to the Philippines and FDA approved din siya. And it comes with freebies. Meron ka ding access to the new variants. So make sure you only get this from the legit sources. I'll put the link in the description section. I encourage you guys to try out these products from HK MX Mooncake. I'm sure masasatisfy yung cravings nyo and you'll crave it over and over again. So kaya order na, guys. So anyway, grabe, busog na ako and let's continue na i-unbox na yung ating Oh! Grabe! masarap.
Gusto mo ng water?
Thank you.
Finally, unboxing.
Okay guys, so grabe, nabusog kami doon. And let's continue na i-unbox yung ating silver play button. May long overdue. Na kahit saan kami magpunta, dala-dala namin to.
Yes.
So dito ka na lang.
Finally, madedecorate na natin yung bahay niya, no?
Let's unbox this together kasi I want to celebrate this with you.
Thank you.
And also para someday, I know this year, magkakaroon ka na din ng your own silver play button na ididikit natin dun sa wall natin. So, yes, let's unbox this. So, actually, naka-reach ako ng 100k subscribers noong November. And it took me 6 months to reach that point. Apparently, ngayon ko na siya bubuksan, ilang months na from now. Tapos, nung naka-reach ako ng 100k subscribers noong November, meron palang mga special procedure na gagawin. Kasi kung hihintayin mo, parang it would take you months or years para ma-recognize nung YouTube yung 100k subscriber reach mo. Nag-research ako ng mga procedures kung paano, and then parang 2 weeks later, nakuha ko na din siya. And apparently, there's no point for me rushing to get this kasi hindi ko rin naman na-shoot. So, yan. Without further ado, let's unbox this. So, dumating siya.
Yung ado mo eh. So, may ado na. Buksan mo na.
Wow. Can you read this for me?
Do you remember your first subscriber? Your 100? Your 1,000 subscriber? Chances are you do.
Wow! Grabe. Sobrang ano naman to. Rewarding.
Grabe yung binibigay nilang recognition sa mga creator, no?
Kasi hindi madaling maging creator. Yan. Sure.
And yung letter galing sa CEO.
Wow.
Nakaka-inspire naman to. Ay, sorry.
Iharap lang natin.
Akala ko ayaw mo magbukas.
Hindi. Yung gusto ko sila yung parang ipe-present natin sa kanila. Kasi
dedicated din naman.
Yes, dedicated tong silver play button ko to you guys na never in my life I would imagine na ma-reach ko yung ganitong milestone ko in life. And I dedicate this award to you guys for constantly supporting us, watching our channels, and motivating us to do more. Go! I recognize your team. Wow! Pwede ka rin magpaka-personalize. It was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick. Wow! Thank you so much, Rick, for
preparing package.
Wow! And this is it!
Wow! Nakaka-inspire naman. Saan natin yan ihahang?
We'll see. Wow, grabe naman. Sobrang precious naman ito. Parang ramdam ko tuloy yung legit creator na
parang nakapaiyak naman magkaganito. Uy, may mirror pa. Na-distract.
Yan na-distract na naman siya sa beauty niya. O yan. I present this award to you guys for being there throughout my journey of being a content creator, and I wouldn't have gotten in this position without you guys.
Dapat matagal mo na ito nilabas para ma-inspire ako lagi.
It's really a dream come true talaga for me, diba, Claire? Kasi parang nung before, second love, first love ko is yung parang pagiging actress, then second love ko, parang ayaw ng pagiging actress sa akin or model. Ano na lang, filmmaking. So, kaya dun ako napunta ng college, and sobrang na-appreciate niyo yung craft ko. Dahil dream ko din talaga maging filmmaker. So, yun. Di rin naging madali yung path sa akin to become a creator kasi meron din akong parang mga challenges, mga insecurities, I don't want to see my face in front of the camera, parang na-awkward ako. And yung kung paano ako nagsasound sa camera. Pero na-overcome ko yung... So, being a creator,
it looks very simple, but that's because we crafted our content to make it pleasurable for you guys. Diba before, naalala ko, sa labas ka pa ng house.
Oo, sa labas ng condo kasi parang wala akong natural light.
And you were using your phone pa.
I was using my phone.
I was the one who told you which camera to buy kasi I wanted that camera before I graduated.
Parang after a year pa, saka ako nagkaroon ng actual camera to shoot. And months later ang dami ko na na-publish na videos. Well, actually, yung unang gamit ko ng camera ko nung first vlog natin together.
Unang vlog mo ba yun? Talaga ba? Yan ba yung nag-reach ng 1 million views?
Yun, grabe. Sobrang nakakagulat. Nag-reach siya ng 1 million views. Thank you so much. And dati talaga yung gamit ko as background, cartolina lang yung napunit-punit. Tapos nire-mask yung tape. Ay, gini-green screen naman siya. So, napapalitan ko yung background. Pero grabe yung process nun. Hindi ko in-expect na magiging creator ako. Karoon ako ng another purpose na para makapag-inspire, motivate, and lalo na maging voice para sa mga people na gusto mag-come out na hindi naging easy lahat nung naging process. Pero thank you guys for appreciating, sending me messages, commenting na I inspire you guys. Akala ko like flying is my purpose na, pero nagkaroon pa ako ng additional purposes, which is to be here with you guys throughout my process and journey. And I really can't wait to show you guys kung ano yung magiging progress namin sa life ni Claire para ma-inspire tayo with each other. You guys are
very dear to us.
Yeah, guys are part of our daily lives na kahit parang right now kinakausap namin camera, pero it doesn't feel like, no?
And we even remember a lot of your names.
Like familiar.
Like, nakita mo yung
mga familiar.
And some of them, like, we really established personal relationships with. Like, I enjoy talking to these people, and especially na they enjoy watching our vlogs also.
As much as possible, binabasa namin lahat ng mga messages nyo and comments nyo, and di ko na-expect na kahit nag-work na ako sa aviation industry, ma-fulfill ko pa rin yung dream ko to be a filmmaker. Feeling ko walang nasayang na aspect sa life ko kasi nung college ako, puro yun yung pinag-aral, videography, editing. Hindi biro maging creator kasi ikaw lahat eh. Parang ikaw yung ideation, scriptwriter.
You're a one-man team.
Yes, scriptwriter,
the producer, the director, the cameraman.
The marketing. Hindi lang doon natatapos yan. Market mo pa yung vlog mo, ipopost mo pa kung saan-saan na social media channel.
More importantly, it's also fun.
What's more important, is we're having fun, diba? Yun yung pinaka-important.
And also, I think another more important thing is we have a purpose na, especially when we put out informative content ba, it really warms my heart na parang useful din, aside from entertaining, na may nakukuha din kayo valuable na information from us. Mark this scene for when I'm gonna unbox mine also. She's my inspiration and my mentor. So thank you so much for helping me out and letting me skip the hard parts of being a YouTuber. All the steps like with copyright issues, kasi you have to learn it din. If there was only a course on how to easily be a YouTuber, that would be very useful for someone. But I didn't have to do that because she did all the hard
ako na yung
parts
lahat
for
ng
me.
trial and error. Meron ng mag-guide sa kanya. And actually, sobrang proud. Sobrang proud din ako sa kanya kasi parang ang bilis niyang matuto mag-edit. Through vlogging, I was able to love and appreciate myself more. Kasi in a way, expression siya of who I am. Part din of being a content creator is not minding how much you earn through the views and how much views you have and how much vlogs you uploaded na. What matters is you have fun, you're doing it not for the sake of the viewers and money, but you're doing it for yourself. And if you guys want to know more about creating content or starting up your YouTube, I would love to share my story on how I created my YouTube channel and how I edit vlogs and what kind of gadgets I use. So please feel free to let us know in the comment section. So thank you so much guys for unboxing it with me and for celebrating it with me. I just want to do a shout out to my family, of course, you shout out for supporting me, and also for Pilot Chezka's crew. Yun yung aming first group ever on Facebook, and to Chezka Rendang Natics, to Chezka Natics, and also to Miss Josie for my shirt. Grabe, regalo niya sa akin to for my upcoming birthday. Grabe, sobrang ganda ng choice. Sobrang sakto yung fit. Thank you so much, Miss Josie. And ang dami pa namin nadala actually. So, sobrang nakakagulat. Thank you so much for the constant support sa lahat na nagko-comment and nagme-message sa amin. Sobrang ang dami ng familiar names. So, yun na naman. Thank you so much. And hopefully, next time, mag-unbox naman tayo ng yung silver play button. Sana, hopefully, then ako, road to. So, yun na naman. Thank you guys for watching and bye guys!